Hello guys, this UPS in my bedroom and this beeping sound is very annoying when I am sleeping. So I found the speaker in the UPS and I tried to make the sound is less loud. I put a little sticker into the speaker and put a plastic, and I hope the sound would be less loud. The manual not show any information that this how switch off the speaker beeping sound. So this is my solution. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Hello, bye.